Here's a 400-word YouTube video script about the Kia K4, including an introduction for the channel Automaster Drive, all written naturally without headings or bracketed letters. Welcome back to Automaster Drive, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. If you're passionate about cars and love staying ahead of the curve with the latest models, reviews, and expert insights, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new Kia K4, the latest sedan that's turning heads in the automotive world. Designed as a bold successor to the Forte, the K4 signals a new era for Kia's compact sedan lineup, and it's got more than just a name change to prove it. From the outside, the K4 makes a striking impression. Kia has gone all out with a design that's sharp, futuristic, and aggressive. The wide tiger nose grille, slim LED lighting, and clean sculpted lines give the car a premium, almost fastback-like silhouette. It's longer, wider, and lower than the Forte, giving it a sportier stance and improved aerodynamics. Under the hood, you've got options. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with around 147 horsepower, ideal for everyday driving and fuel efficiency. But if you want more punch, the K4 also comes in a turbocharged 1.6-liter version, delivering 190 horsepower with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic. That means more fun on the road, without sacrificing comfort or control. Inside, the K4 is where things really get impressive. Kia has packed it with technology usually reserved for higher-end models. You get a sleek, curved display that combines a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's even an option for a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Interior materials have been upgraded with a more upscale feel and clever use of space. Kia is also putting safety front and center. The K4 includes advanced driver assistance features like forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who values style, tech, and efficiency in one package, the Kia K4 is definitely worth a look. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think of the Kia K4 in the comments below. This is Automaster Drive, and we'll see you on the next ride.